In this video you will see how to add horizontal line in Word document like this. It's very easy. First, under the Home tab you need to click here on the borders option drop down, and at the bottom you will see the option of border and shading. Click on this option and you will see this window. Make sure you have clicked on the borders tab, and here you can select the type of horizontal line you want, dotted or dashed. I am selecting here solid line, and you can choose the color from here, for example blue color, and you can see the preview here. You can adjust the thickness of the line from here. Just select the thickness of the line and then just click this option bottom border, and you will start to see the preview. Once you have selected all the options, just click on OK. And in case you want to remove this line, you can go back here and then just select the option no border to remove the horizontal line from your Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.